All is well, my dear students. How are you all? This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. And today we are going to start our chapter number first, that is computer system. So dear students, we know that computer is an electronic machine that works according to the instructions given by us. It has the ability to accept data, process it and give useful output. We can also say that a computer is a machine that follow the input, process and output cycle. This is the block diagram of computer. Block diagram of computer contain four basic components: input device, CPU, output device and memory. The input devices are used to give instruction to the computer, which are then processed by the CPU. The result of processing are displayed on the output device. After having studied this chapter, you will be able to understand the working of input devices, output devices, CPU and memory. In this video, we will discuss about various input devices. First, I will explain you what is input device. The input devices are used to give data or instruction to the computer. Input device allow us to enter raw data for processing. Input device is piece of hardware used to provide data and control signal to a computer. Example of input devices includes keyboard, mouse, joystick, graphic tablet, scanner, microphone, MICR, barcode reader, OMR, digital camera, etc. First, start with keyboard. A computer keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer. A keyboard is the most widely used input device. It has a number of keys for entering alphabets, numbers, and special characters. When you press a key, the code of key is sent to the CPU in binary form. A keyboard can be connected to the computer through a cord or through a wireless connection. Wireless keyboard is available in our computer lab. Another important input device is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons. These days, a mouse generally has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. The mouse converts the motion of our hands into binary signals that the computer can understand. The mouse pointer on the monitor moves according to the movement of the mouse. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that is attached to a base. You can see that in the diagram. Joystick is used to change the position of the cursor or any other object on the screen. The stick moves and controls the movement of a pointer or some other display symbol on the screen. Joystick is commonly used for playing video games. Next input device is light pen. A light pen is also an input device. It is shaped like a pen. It allows the user to draw or point to object on the screen. A light pen is connected to the video display unit. The tip of the light pen has a light sensitive detector. When the light pen touches the screen, the detector identifies the location of the pen on the screen. A graphic tablet is an input device. It is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen. In a similar way as you draw pictures with a pencil on the paper. A graphic tablet consists of a flat surface on which a user can draw using a pen like drawing device called stylus. Graphic tablets is very useful to the artists who like to draw directly on the computer. Next input device is scanner. Scanner is an input device that is used for converting printed documents or photos into electronic formats. It means scanner can convert hard copy into soft copy. It captures pictures and text from paper and make their digital copy. The digital copy can be edited, sent as attachment to the email or saved. There are various types of scanner such as flatbed scanner and handheld scanners. The most commonly used in the flatbed scanner. Next input device is barcode reader. A barcode reader is a device used to read barcodes. You can see that in the diagram, a barcode is a small images of lines and spaces that can be seen on the packets of many products. Barcode are widely used in supermarket for recording the sale of items quickly. Next device is MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. It is a special type of device used for processing check in banks. It is clear from its name, MICR is used to read magnetic ink character. The number code at the bottom of the check are written using a special ink called magnetic ink. MICR are used to read these characters. OMR. OMR stands for Optical Mark Recognition. An OMR is a device used to recognize marks on specially printed forms and sheets. You can see that in the diagram. An OMR sheet is a special type of sheet used in multiple choice question examination. Optical mark recognition is used to detect answer from OMR sheet. Next device is touch screen. A touch screen is a touch sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. It can identify the presence and position of a touch within the display region. Touch screen is easy to use and are often found in public places such as ATMs, ticket collection terminals, theaters and airport. Last device is digital cameras. A digital camera is used to capture images or videos and store them in digital format. They display the captured images immediately on the screen. The images or video captured through the digital camera can be transferred to a computer for modification, and the images can be printed on paper whenever desired. So after explanation of various input devices, you can suggest suitable devices for the following situation. So read it carefully and write the name of suitable device. So students, in this video, you have understood the concept of input device. In the next video, I will explain you output devices. Thank you.